Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. My dear students, welcome to my virtual class. I am Shahjalal Ahmed Pial, lecturer, Finance and Banking, Milestone College. Today I will discuss Finance and Banking, first part, Chapter 8, Capital Budgeting and Investment Decisions. This is the second lecture of this chapter. Let's go start. Today's topics: capital budgeting, decisions or areas. These topics are designed by various decisions by a financial managers. There are purchase of new machinery, machinery replacement decisions, expansion of business, modernizations, production of new goods or rendering new service, research and development, acquisitions, lease or buy, obligatory and welfare. Let's go on details. Capital budgeting decisions. A long-term investment decisions is called capital budgeting decisions, which involve huge amount of long-term investments. Previous lectures, I discussed what is the long-term investments. Long-term investment means more than 3 years investment. Companies' fixed assets invested in these investments. A financial manager makes long-term investment decisions through capital budgetings. We know the future success of a firm depends on the right investment decisions. This is the board of financial investment, and they are discussed about long-term investments and analyzing, comparing, researching about their investments and find out the best investment decisions. Now I will discuss the areas in which a financial manager makes capital budgeting decisions. There are many decisions like first one, purchase of new machinery. Purchase of new machinery is one of the vital capital budgeting decisions. A firm purchase of new machines for the purpose of increasing efficiencies and productivity of his organizations. Here, two machineries, one automatic swing machines and another power generator. Next, machinery replacement. This is the another vital decisions of a financial manager to machinery replacement. Machinery replacements are needed for reduction maintenance cost and increasing in product quality and rate of production increased. Here is two images. Look at the image. First image, you look a mechanics or engineer repairing the photocopy machines. Is another a new photocopy machines. These machines repairing cost day by day increase and does not work well. So a financial manager need to decide replaced a new machinery in old machinery. Number 3, expansion of business. A firm expands its business area and creates a new products market all over the world with goal of wealth maximization. We know a firm ultimate goal of wealth maximization. This is the process of wealth maximizations. A firm opening a new branch in many areas in home and abroad for expansion his business. Modernization in business firm is another capital budgeting decisions. We know legacy system needs modernization from time to time. A firm modernized by it IT development, internet access, online system and database systems, also uh, controlling his official works by a software-based system, also well decorated um, and suitable workplace for his worker. Production of new goods or services. The demand of the buyers is changing for various worldwide regions. This is the image of ventilator. Nowadays, we know the ventilator is most demandable device or materials all over the world for corona pandemic situations. So, a investor must be concerned about the world demand of customers. Number 6, research and development. Many business firms invested their fixed asset or capital for research and development their products and services. Here is an image of a research center. This is a virology lab in Wuhan. The researcher are researching for a coronavirus vaccine or medicine. This is world demand of products all over the world. Acquisition. Acquisition is one of the best process for expansion business. Acquisition means is when one company purchases most or all of another company's share to gain control of that company. Look at the image. First image, Google and YouTube. Google acquisition YouTube. Also, Google Cloud acquisition locker systems to expand their business area. Number 8, lease or buy. Lease is a contract by which one party can be lands, property, car, services, etc. to another party for a specific time, usually in return for a periodic payment. Many companies cannot afford to buy their fixed assets, so they lease them to afford their fixed assets to continue their business process. Here, two cars, one for sale and another for lease. And last one, obligatory and welfare. Many companies has invested their fixed assets or capital for aim to social welfare and not for profit, as like water treatment plant. This is the image of water treatment plant. Many manufacturer company used water treatment plant for refine their polluted water. Okay, my dear students, now I hope all are understood capital budgeting, decisions and its areas. Thanks to all and goodbye.